Today I'm unboxing and trying out this auto thrust machine that I was sent to try out. Inside of the box you receive the machine, an extension rod, a variety of different attachments, a suction cup phone mount with a remote, and the power cord that features an attached remote. The machine features a sturdy base with fold-out suction and plenty of space on top to equip your phone mount. The attachments securely snap into place like this, and there's a great range of speed for you to choose from. The phone mount and shutter remote also really come in handy.